Hello everyone, this is Redoy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape data from Yellow page completely free of cost. You can use this for run a campaign and sell affiliate product as well. So without further ado, let me show you the step-by-step process there. As you can see, I'm visiting yellowpage.com and this is the location sector and I'm targeting a restaurant. As of now for me, you can target dentist and other niche as well. So I'm targeting Atlanta, Georgia. You can target any location depending on your needs. Just click on and then click on find. Just take a look the number counting. This is the page 1 and the number 1. This is 2, 3, 4. If I scroll it down, as you can see, the 30 result is appearing there in the first page. So there is 5 another page as well. So in the first page, the 30 result is there. All the information are from Atlanta, Georgia, and this is information only from restaurant. So now it's time to scrape all the data. So now for this, I'm using one free Google Chrome extension. Let me show you. Just click on new tab and type out instant data scraper. In the first link, chromewebstore.google.com, just click on this link. I'm gonna attach the link into the video description for your easy access. So this is the free Chrome extension that we'll use to scrape all the data. So now simply click on add to Chrome. After that, add extension. So that extension has been added to Chrome. Now simply click on the extension list and then click on pin to here so that you can use this tool easily. So now simply go back to the Yellow search page and just simply reload the page so that extension will work properly. So now simply click on the extension. As you can see, the tool is selected from this number 1, and if I scroll it down, the tool already populated the 30 results. So this is, just see, this is page only one page. So now we need to scrape all the pages. For this, just click on locate next button and then click on this arrow, that means this is next, and go back to the tool and click on start crawling. Just take a look, the tool scraping page 2, page 3, page 4, row collected 120. So the tool already collected 180 data in the 6th page. Just take a look, 210 data. So I am stop this right now for your better understanding. So now how to download this data to your computer? Simple, just see the 3 download is there. One is CSV, Excel, copy all. So depending on your needs, we can download CSV, Excel depending on your needs. So as of now for me, I am downloading CSV. Just click on CSV and the download file is there. Just click on this file, just open it to your Excel. Just take a look. This is not required, this is also not required. So this is the business name, this is category, this is rating, website, and other information is there. So depending on your needs, you can keep and remove them on this spreadsheet and clean it up. So this is fantastic tool. So this is the easiest process how you can scrape data from Yellow page completely free of cost. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe to get more content like this. If you have any question, feel free to ask me by commenting below. Have a good day. Bye bye.